this chair workout kicked my butt. I don't want to hang around to the end, trust me, because as much as you might say, oh, it can't be that difficult, it can't be that bad, trust me, watch it in and you're going to see. So when you hear the word amazing chair workout, you're like, amazing chair workout? Is that such a thing? That is the same thing I thought until I did this. Holy smokes, my shoulders are burning, my abs are burning, my upper back is burning. I feel it in my legs. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. In fact, smash that like and subscribe button because you're gonna wanna be here, and make sure you turn that bell on too because we have some amazing stuff coming to you every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Great workouts, great recipes, and some amazing health tips. You know what, this workout, like, you know what, I can't even talk about it. I got the armpit sweat. I ain't gonna show it on camera because you can probably see it anyway, but look, check this out, watch. Next up, we're gonna be doing something I call TikToks. We wanna make sure that you are nice and straight in the chair, but I wanna show you what's gonna happen. Check that smile, ding! Looking at your fingers, you're just making sure they're gonna be nice and straight. I'm gonna stand up at first just to kind of show you, arms nice and straight. You're gonna be going to the left and to the right. As you're sitting in the chair, notice my hips are not moving. As I was saying, shoulders rolled back, put them in your back pocket, make sure they look great, and tick and tock, keeping your head upright the whole time. Perfect. Now I want you to remember something. Wherever your eyes go, your head goes, your body goes. So keep your eyes at eye level, keeping them up, doing the best that you can. You're gonna do about 10 of those. It seems really simple, but to really attack those obliques, shoulders, and your trapezius. So I'm going to get ready to speed this up a little bit so you can kind of get an idea. Cheesy grin, got to make sure we do that. Next up, we're going to be showing you some good mornings. First up, to show you what not to do. You don't want those arms not by your ears. Pull them back some, don't be afraid. Good for your upper back, lower back, and also to make sure those shoulders are going to burn. You're going to go about a quarter of the way down and come right back up. Making sure that your back goes all the way against the back side of the chair. I'm going to speed this up a little bit just to kind of, you get the gist of it for the most part, but take your time with this. It's not a speed thing. This is time lapsed. Don't rush it. You could really hurt yourself. Kind of shake it out to give yourself a second, and I'm going right back to TikToks. If you can tell by that sheen on top of my head, it's starting to get a little sweat in here. No, where the workout is I'm kind of doubling everything up. So not even kind of, I am. It's going to be one TikTok, then good morning, then TikToks. I'm doing 10 reps for each. For the TikToks, it's 10 on each side. And look at that burn. It doesn't seem like it will burn, but I promise you it will. Just give a look. Let me speed this up. As you can see, just because I want you to understand, but I don't want you to spend a lot of time kind of studying everything, but you get the gist of it. All right, so you kind of want to shake things out, got to throw that smile, make sure you look stoic. And so this next thing, you just, again, take a deep breath. Trust me, you're going to need it if you're following along. You're going to interlock your fingers. I'm going to see that just like that, locking them just like so. Not on top of your head, it's going to push your head down. It's not good for your neck. You're going to put them right in the base of your skull. And these are going to be torso twists, which are great for your abs. All 6, 8 of them, and also your obliques. Just going to be taking your time, going left and right. Look serious like me. There we go. Always make sure you look nice and serious. And we're about to change it up in a second. All right, let's speed that up. Perfect. And then what we're going to do is start that series over again. The good morning, same amount of reps, and then we're going to go right to those TikToks. I'm getting tired just looking at myself doing this again. This is what I get for underestimating this. You can do it, V. Finish. So I got a variation for you. And this is for anybody who's ready to step it up a little bit. Place your hand right behind your head, just like so, and cross it over to your left knee. So it's going to be the right arm, right elbow to the left knee. And once you're ready, you do about 5 reps is what I'm going to be doing here. And you're going to switch it up and do the same exact thing. These can be done in place of the torso twist. These are a little bit tough on your back, so please be very mindful of that. This is a variation for you. You don't have to do this. Good. Next up, I know it burns. Keep going. Next variation, you're going to make sure you have a little gap between your back and the back of the chair. Just a little bit, maybe 2 inches, arms straight up. And all you're going to do is let the middle of your back touch and come straight upright. Every single time you bring your torso up, you roll those shoulders back, you're going to be exhaling. In, just like so. It seems really simple, but as you can see, your boy Vern is slowing down a little bit. Now, I'm not trying to say that to scare you. I'm just saying don't underestimate the power of combining simple exercises like this and the impact it's going to have on you. Ooh, sweet burn. This is for you. This is the last one. You can do this. Shoulder rotations. Nice and slow forward. Making small circles. Just small circles. That's it. Making sure, just like me, torso is upright. You can see me breathing. Making sure you're taking conscious breaths with these. Now I'm going to slowly start increasing this to big circles. Now what I'm doing is I'm counting to 5 and then I'm going back and I'm just doing 5 and then big circle, little circle, big circle, little circle. Just like that. Yes, for you. Keep going. Now what we're doing next is with the same exact thing. We're just going to change the direction. First we were going forward. Now we're going backwards. Same thing. 5 seconds small circles, 5 seconds big circles. Now, not to waste a lot of time or save you some of your time, I'm going to be just fast forward through some of this so we can just kind of finish this workout up and we can get to the end. You did it, buddy. Good job. Uh-huh. What you gotta say? Did I make a believer out of you? It was no joke, wasn't it? This is what I'm saying. You know, I gotta ask you. I know one of the hardest things for me was definitely sticking my hand straight up to the ceiling and just going over doing those kind of halfway good mornings, which I thought weren't gonna get me. What was the hardest exercise for you? What was the one that caused the most burn? Let me know in the comments. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I had a great time putting this together. I'm a believer. I am a believer, and I hope you are too. I can't wait to see you in a couple more days because we have some great new information coming for you. And by the way, if you like things like this, check videos out like this and like this. These are about getting to the point and making things fun again. I'll see you all soon.